So, I'd like to hear about your jobs, schooling, and interests, and anything else that you would like to tell me. We will also be asking you about some specific experiences in your life. Perhaps a good place to start is asking you about your experience with our company so far. How did you happen to become interested in our organization?
Well, I became interested in American Modern Insurance after hearing about how successful the company is. American Modern is consistently rated as one of the most excellent insurance companies in the United States, and it currently holds an A+ rating from industry analysts such as Forbes. Also, as a subsidiary of Munich Re, which is the world's largest reinsurance company, American Modern has ties all over the globe, which is very influential and powerful. I could see myself fitting in very well at this organization because it's a company large enough to have major influence, but it's also small enough to have your voice be heard by your manager. I believe I can bring a lot of analytical and interpersonal skills to this position, and that I can harness my skills to help this company achieve its goals.
Okay. Now I want you to talk about a job you've held. I'm interested in any special achievements that you may have had and what you think you gained from these jobs. Let's begin with your most recent job. How has working here helped you develop your IT skills?
Well, I'm currently working as a warehouse assistant at Coffee Break Roasting Company. While there, I've helped the company transition from taking paper orders to taking orders electronically, which believe has given me invaluable technological skills. I worked with one of the owners of the company and helped set up a system by which orders were taken and filled out on iPads. This development has improved efficiency greatly and has eliminated many small errors. My coworkers have consistently praised me for my dedication to the job, my organization, and my technological know-how. My boss has thanked me many times for staying late after I should have clocked out and taking the time to get my orders 100% correct. In other positions, I've worked at and learned new skills quickly and had to deal with changes quickly and efficiently. One example that is coming to mind is when I was working at Automation Irrigation Systems. I had no knowledge of how the system runs, and after a few weeks, I was programming the system to run however the customer wanted it done. This job was typically very physically and mentally demanding, and my boss was thankful that I showed up every day ready to give it my best.
Thank you. You've given me a good picture of your work experience. Now let's talk about your education. I'd like to know about your recent schooling, including any specialized training you've had. I'd be interested in such things as why you chose to attend Xavier University, the subjects you preferred, and any special recognition you received. So, why did you choose Xavier?
Well, I chose Xavier because it felt just right to me. Xavier is one of the best business schools in the Midwest, and being located in Cincinnati, there are a lot of important companies located nearby. So I just felt like it was the best choice I could possibly make. Here at Xavier, I've had the opportunity to be educated in the liberal arts tradition, which relies on educating the whole person, and it has really opened me up to new ideas and has shaped me positively as a person. As far as analytics are concerned, I've learned a number of computer programs and coding languages which are used in the field. Because of these things, I strongly believe that my education has prepared me for the world of analytics and that I can handle myself well in this position.
Okay. So, we've talked about your work and schooling. Now let's complete the picture of you as a candidate. What kind of extracurricular activities have you been involved with? Stress, in particular, how you displayed leadership in one of these activities.
Well, I've been a member of an intramural soccer and softball team for a few years now, but my main extracurricular activity has been my work. I've worked anywhere from 20 to 40 hours in a week based on how much studying I need to get done, and it consumes much of my free time. In my work, I had to assume a leadership position many times. Consequently, many of the times I led, it was technologically related. I even had to teach many supervisors how to use the new system, which was difficult for many of them to grasp. Eventually, I helped transition to the new system, and this company has been much more efficient ever since.